Have you ever heard of a bob door? I'm gonna make one for my chickens. A bob door is a one-way door, most commonly used that I've seen for pigeons and pet bird, things like that. My version, I designed these, one of the first things I ever designed in CAD, using Tinkercad, just these simple little T-shaped doohickeys, and they're gonna ride on a wire. I'll show you. They're going to ride on a wire like this so that they can swing. I designed this so that I can use the same wire for the hinge, axle, whatever you call this up top, and then the gate section as well. So there's going to be 4 of these into little holders that keep them locked at the top, and I'll show you real quick where I plan on putting this. So my chickens have their secure run over here. It's not as big as I'd like it to be, but it's good enough for the number of birds I have right now. And then out here they have just this plastic mesh that keeps them from getting to the porch and in the garage and places where I don't want them pooping everywhere. But they can still get over it, they get out. I'm going to do some improvements to that. Let me know if you want that in the videos of how I do that. But for now, I want to plan on making this bob door, and it's going to go right here because there's a line here and a line here, so the chickens know to go in there, and it's going to funnel them towards the bob door. So I'm going to actually make a big frame gate here, not a light, cheap frame, and then the bob door is going to be built into that. So follow along. Okay, so here it is so far. It's about 9.5 inches wide and about 10 inches tall. And I need to make a frame. I might just 3D print it because getting time in my shop is really hard to come by. I almost forgot to mention the wire is a 0.15 inch or 5/32, or like a 3.8 millimeter, 3.9, almost 4 millimeter. I'll put a link on my website. Okay, I made a prototype of the one-way chicken gate, the bob door. Just kind of threw it together, just out of some quick frames, and looking at it, I'm thinking it probably does need to be bigger, probably 5 bars, and then a little bit taller compared to the chickens, but hey, prototype is prototype. And then to keep it in place, I just screwed it onto that board underneath, but I do have a chicken out. Let's see how it goes. So there's 2 chickens out. Let's see if they can figure this out. Nope, there it is. Do you see it? Can you get in there? Push, push. I don't know if you can do it. Come on, let's try. Push. Yeah, maybe they can. Oh, well, that works too. Okay, on a full door, that's also good. Okay, on a full door, if this was part of a framed door, they wouldn't have the option of hopping over, but I am super excited about the possibilities